My name is Fred Dawes. I'm the president of Masonry and Glass Systems, and I'm shooting this video today to explain why I've selected restoration windows manufactured by Sunrise as the window we feature in my company. The first thing I want to talk about is value. A restorations window is very affordably priced. It brings a lot of good value to the customer in terms of the quality of its build and the quality of the materials that Sunrise uses to build restorations. Comfort is a big reason too why I looked at this window. This window has what we call comfort foam. This foam that is inserted in the main frames of the sash and main frame of the window. And what this does is it gives the window much higher levels of insulation. It fights condensation. In addition to this, you can see I've colored this blue, but it's actually, as you can see, white. These are reinforcing modules, and these add strength to the sash, so that if you desire to put triple glaze in this window, the extra weight of the glass will not impact how the window performs. Another reason I selected this window was because of its warranty. The warranty from Sunrise is the best warranty I have seen in the industry. It is lifetime, and it is also transferable. It is easy. You simply, after the windows are installed, you enroll online. It's a very simple process, and you have a lifetime warranty on the product. Another attribute of restorations windows that I was extremely attracted to represent this window for Masonry and Glass Systems was the actual beauty of the window. And so what I've done here to illustrate that is to compare restorations, which is right here, to another very strong competing window right here. And I want you to note the differences in how these windows look. They perform nearly identical in terms of energy efficiency, but how they look is dramatically different. Note the sleekness of the restoration frame. Note that it's much thinner than this competing frame. Look at where the two meeting rails, or the meeting rail is, and you can see the size difference between these two units. What this means essentially for you is you're buying more glass and less vinyl when you buy a restorations window. You're going to get more light into your room, you're going to get higher levels of performance, and most importantly, from the outside in and from the inside out, your windows will look terrific.